Hello, good evening. Sobke Nagaland Times News Channel te welcome kora ase aro notun thaikse kole subscribe aro share kor dibi. Khobor de local, notice, state, national aro international wise te jonai dibo. Itia ajila update sur kurbo. Khobor itu to bishi important khobor ase. Itu karne sob manu ke ponchai dibole koi dia ase. Nagaland Baptist Church Council to warning kure ase. Chinese cult Church of Almighty God koyena ulake. NBCC2 church leaders of ke itu Church of Almighty God koyena Chinese bra ulayena false gospel aro false teaching to Facebook page aro alag te ahi thakya tu totally against ase koi dia ase. NBCC General Secretary to Executive Secretary aro Director of Baptist Association ke address kuri dise itu nishna mishamshi practices aro shikai thakya tu organized group ase aro itu teaching te Jesus to dunia te make hoyena Aisha ko ase nam yang iknabin koyena. Itu teaching the New Testament to replace kudiyena the word appear in the flesh koyena ulai dise itu karni NBCC to sub church leaders kan ke itu nishna mishamshi teaching to alert kurbole koi ase. Health Minister S. Pangyu reporte aji Nagaland te COVID-19 report to 587 sample test 28 notun confirm hoi jaise 24 wa Kohima 2 Dimapur Longlin aro Jneboda wa ekta Ita Nagaland te total COVID-19 cases to 3714 hoi jaise active case pra 1301 recover pra 2396 aro death report pra atta hoi jaise report Tiungsang town to 2 days ban bra mangbole para ase khobor te Tiungsang town to ajibra loyena 2 days ban rakha ase itu COVID-19 spread kuri thakya rukhabole aro khobor pa hisab to 2 days ban to balbra rakhibole para khobor te jonai dia ase. Next ase Assam Rifle Unit khan to Nagaland aro Arunachal te tree plantation kuri dise report hisab to jakali Assam Rifle Unit khan to under HQ GARN2 gas 22000 nishna alag jakate Arunachal aro Nagaland te plantation kudia koi dia ase. Report Transport Department to notify kuri dise June 8 2020 te temporary suspend kuri thakya uthai dise. Khobor te Transport Department koi dise suspend kuri thakya tu uthai digena gari registration aro driving license to issue kurbole sur kuri dise. Aro khobor te government SOP COVID-19 to strictly maintain kurbole koi dise. Report has up to India longest river ropeway Assam Brahmaputra te thakya public ke kholi dise. Report Guwahati North Guwahati ropeway to aji Assam Finance Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma Senior Cabinet Minister bohina kholi dise. Statement te ropeway to 2 km long ase aro 7 minute ponchibole pare koi dise. Aro report 32 passengers pukhiena berabole pare hulibi COVID-19 nimite 15 passenger hi berabole jonai dise. Next ase North East report gari documents aro driving license to validity December tak extend kuri dise. Khobor hisab to itu COVID-19 pandemic nimite Minister of Road Transport and Highway to Kocha Kurgen Pola September 30 tak extend kurdia ita to Motor Vehicle Act 1988 aro Center Motor Vehicle Rules 1989 hisab te documents aro driving license to 30 December tak extend kurdia khobor te koi dia ase. Aji khobor te Delhi aro UP police to terrorist attack capital te hobole thakya arrest kuri loise. Report capital city te terrorist attack hobole thakya Khan Alice Abul to Delhi aro UP police to milayena tala residence te jakali arrest kurla khobor te jonai dia ase. Aji notun Delhi report interim Congress President Sonia Gandhi to aji Congress Working Committee khan ke initiative loyena notun party chief sale kurbole koi dise. Gandhi statement te koi dise section of leader to full time aro visible hobole para pisare ase aro detailed reply to AICC General Secretary KC Venugopal issue te reply kuri dise. Aji report General Bipin Rawat to koi dise Chinese India tok ja thakya te fail hoile military option table te ahibole koi ase. খবৰ হিচাপটো আজি আৰ্মি জেনেৰেল বিপিন টু ষ্টেটমেণ্টে কৈ দিছে ইণ্ডিয়া আৰু চাইনাটো পিছ কৰিবলৈ কথা ৰাখি আছে হলেপি চাইনিজ খানবৰা ইটো নামাঙিলে মিলিটাৰী কথা হি টেবলতে চুৰ কৰিব কৈ কিনা আজি ৰিপৰ্টে কৈ দিছে আজি লাষ্ট আপডেট আছে 2019-20 UEFA Championship League te brilliant players kan winner ho jaise report te Sunday te UEFA Championship League te Paris Saint-Germain aro Bayern Munich Lou Stadium Portugal te final match kelise aro soccer match te brilliant players para khobor te jonai dia ase aro ajila notun update jate ra khatam kura ase next episode te luk rubo sob manu stay safe